you want a simple keyboard shortcut to put your PC on sleep or hibernate mode, then you came to the right video. I will show you how to make a simple keyboard shortcut. You just have to click few keys on your keyboard and your Windows PC will go on sleep or on hibernate mode. So I'm going to show you all the steps. So to do that, first you need to create a new shortcut. Create new and then shortcut, and then you have to paste this location. This will be provided in the description. Just copy that, just copy from there and then paste it here, and then click next, and then give a name like, let me see, and then finish, as you can see here. So with this shortcut you can put your PC on sleep. Just you have to double click it, and I will also show you how to put a simple keyboard shortcut. But before telling you that, one thing you have to understand here, and that is, it depends on your PC whether your PC will put your PC on sleep or in hibernate. So if you have Windows 11 24H2 or later, I mean if you have latest, then your Windows will put your PC on hibernate mode. That's a big issue if you want just the sleep mode. If you have Windows 10 or older versions of Windows 11, it will put your PC on sleep. So how to make your PC go to sleep? If you want sleep mode, if you want hibernate, then yeah, you don't have to do anything else. But if you want sleep, then you have to run this command, powrprof.dll hibernate off. You have to off the hibernate. Search for the cmd, run as administration, and then just paste and click enter, and that's it. Now your hibernation is off. Now whatever your Windows version is, your Windows will only put your PC on sleep with this shortcut. So after that done, let's create a shortcut. So how to create a shortcut? Simply just you have to click on properties, and then here shortcut key. So click on here and then click button on your keyboard like Control Shift S. You can copy this or you can choose whatever key you like. I have chosen this Control plus Shift plus S. You can choose whatever keyboard shortcut you want to give. Click OK, and now if you click Control Shift and S, your PC will go to sleep. So if you want to know the basics, then yeah, it's done for you. You can now stop the video. But if you want to make it look better, more aesthetically pleasing, then let's change its icon. So first go to properties and then change icon, and then you can choose whatever you like, and like this one, click apply, and that's it. You can have an icon, as you can see. But if you want even better icons, then you can consider some websites. I am giving links to two websites you can choose from already here. As you can see, there are two websites. One is iconicons.com and another one is iconarchive.com. So you can choose anything you like here, like this one. Click download icon, and then here for Windows, choose this ico.ico. Just click on it, and this, it's downloaded. And for this website, like icon archive here, if you like this one, let's say you like this one, then click here and then click all download format, and then click download ico for Windows. So here, as you can see, both are being downloaded. You can choose whatever you like. These sites, you can choose your icon for your folders, or you can even choose icon for any app you want. So let's change the icon we have just downloaded. So let's go to properties and then click change icon, and then let's click browse, and then here, as you can see, we have downloaded this and this. So you can choose whatever you like and then click open, and that's okay, and then apply. And with this, we got a new icon. You can put it wherever you want, like this here, and then you have to just click Control Shift or S or whatever you put in the shortcut tab. That's it. With this, you can easily put your PC to sleep while running. Let's say you are running Chrome, and even here, if you click your shortcut Control Shift plus S or whatever you choose, your PC will instantly go to sleep mode. I hope this video will help and make your life a little bit easier. Thank you. Thanks for watching.